guys, welcome back to Laughs Out Loud. I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And today we will be testing TikTok life apps.
We will be showing you guys if they're actually true or false. Because you cannot believe everything on the internet.
Except us, of course.
So guys, stay tuned and don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
Let's begin. Hack number 1. Alright guys, so we're going to watch a video about the one that we're going to do.
Oh, that's interesting.
So we have to get the balloon to float. Alright.
Balloon.
Ready? So you blow up the balloon, right?
Okay. No.
Hello. She is very distracted, you see guys.
Where you use one?
She's very concerned, guys.
So I should make this something work.
You okay to light the matches?
No. You're supposed to drop in there?
Yeah, one of the players. Wait, man, the process take place.
Let's see if it lasts.
Go on now.
You do it. The balloon too big. And she spoil it.
Yeah, let's go on again. Cause the matches were like too short.
I'm gonna lie too.
Light them. Guys, if you see we have flip outside next video, all I know is why. So this melting here do this.
Shade, the balloon is too big. Alright. So we're going to use the candle instead.
Alright guys, let me light it this time. Shanice believes that if the balloon is smaller, it shall be small.
Alright, balloon, please don't burst.
I'm afraid I burst it balloon in the miss. Yeah, let's see. The candle never work.
So we're going to do this again.
This time Shanice blow the balloon. I light the matches.
Go.
Test it, let me see if we can seal it. I think our balloon must be more cylindrical.
You just need to hold it down while looking.
Shanice, you waste
It
all of
needs
the
to stay
energy.
longer. But you should just have clean this up. Balloon, please don't burn. It's not sinking
Keep it
in.
Lift it up now. It worked for 5 seconds.
Well, it worked.
Anytime they're on the matches.
Yeah, sure. Well, that was like for what, 3 seconds?
Or 5. Round up.
Round up to 5.
Life hack number 2, guys.
Alright.
Number
After what,
2.
4th try?
Yeah, 4 try. So we're going to do the water bottle flip.
Yes.
Alright. The hypothesis is that when you add salt to the water bottle,
Enough salt.
it flips every time. So I'm just going to flip it before the salt. You see that, guys? It did the flip. Add the salt.
stand.
Oh yeah, it did stand. Salt him up. More? Little bit more.
No, that's enough.
Shanice, yo. Shanice, at least them get your sodium.
Alright, Shade, that dissolve.
Flip it.
No. So, okay, so I'm
This
must
need more
feel.
salt though.
Shade.
It no work. You need more salt. You need more salt.
The bottle is too heavy.
Yeah. Jesus.
Come.
You need more salt.
I don't know if I start make this thing work.
1 spoon.
You want me to throw the entire thing in there?
Guys, I'm in charge of the salt. Cause she the better like the match is good enough.
Watch it. Mr. If you not flip today, if you not stand,
That is. Ready? Flip.
no, move.
Of course.
It don't work.
You have that.
Yeah, man. Every time
Alright, come.
it's supposed to stand, you need to get in the.
Come, guys, we're ready. You ready? Flip. And the rag, you know, you come put rag on the something.
I said every time she do these things, it actually work after.
Make you believe it. Why you can't make it right? Okay, go again. No, Sean. Okay. So, 1 in 2 time it work, guys. Guys. Alright.
It is.
The aim is not to break the table. This challenge was a fail. Let us go. Hack number 3. So far, one barely passed.
Yes.
Let's go. We have 10 to go, so we're at number 3.
Okay.
For this one, guys, we're going to use dishwashing soap and water to make a
Soap snake.
soap snake.
No.
Soap snake. Soap snake. I put it on repeat. We gonna make a soap snake.
Nope. Shani, you realize you can't say those together.
So, guys, my bliss to you understand? We're gonna make a soap snake. Alright. So we have water. Mix it all up, sis.
With what?
Mix it. We need more. Yeah, it tastes like banana. So guys, we have a plastic bottle. Attach it to a dish towel. We're going to dip it. Let me dip the dish towel in first because it can hold. No. We're going to dip this. Get a little wet. Alright. If this don't work, obviously Shanice never makes it good.
Right.
Cover it. Since you do the balloon is only fair, I get to blow.
Oh, the soap just come up in our mouth, you see. Come. I'm done with you.
Guys,
Yeah. Good.
you do it.
No.
Blow this something. We need more soap. Take number 2. Shanice said, I can't blow it in my breath. Why you embarrass me? Why she embarrass me?
No matter what she going with.
Why she embarrass me?
All of a sudden she adds my tea.
Come, girl. You ready? You better do better than me. Let's see how long your snake will be. Yeah, man. Yeah, you want a snake? No, guys. Aunt make. What's that? Yeah. Ooh. When I see this? Wait. Yes. Ooh. Guys, she boasting about she want to beat me. Ooh. This one worked, guys.
Alright.
That
was
was a
very
success.
hard.
Guys, you will do this if you're in an emergency. The level of oxygen that you need to conduct this exercise is no joke. This can test your lungs to see if you have coronavirus, guys. If you are able to do this, I don't think any virus is in your lungs. Try it out.
Yes. No, stop. No, stop.
Next, guys. So we're at hack number 4.
Popcorn.
So we're going to pop.
Go.
She excited it? When you can look over myself for a minute?
No.
So we'll be popping a popcorn with a flat iron. Can it
Will
be
it
done?
work?
Can it be done? Let us see. There you go.
You sure they figure out you by now this so. Come on. This
That's some answer if you want it with cheese. You can get the kernel without cheese, you know. Guys, when you're at the movies, you can do
is
that.
that cheese?
Yes.
Exactly.
Butter. Go over,
I
man.
am done.
Go over. Go by your side. Alright. Slide him over in the oven a little better. You that.
Ready.
Alright, guys. Fingers crossed that this actually works. Fingers crossed.
The place actually smell like carrot.
But Shanice, you always do the nice one to me. But tell about Team Shanina.
Probably this don't even work.
Them just, I hope it don't work just for the sake of saying you are old.
But my
Guys, that was just a little skit brought to you by the opposite of who Shad really is.
Shad.
Shad, yeah, 'cause I was doing it.
Oh, so yeah. Okay.
I'm actually nice. I hear
Well,
it sizzling, I hear it sizzling, I hear it sizzling. I hear it. Stop move, stop move, stop move. Shani, stop. Will you bring it down this way?
You are why you end down there so?
Because you move this up.
You're too
Yeah, make it
excited.
go.
Watch it.
Alright, guys, assist team. Active things going on around here.
No, I want to see too.
No, you see, she want to see. She want.
She won't see. She won't.
She want hold it.
She won't.
She want pop it too.
Yeah.
Alright, I actually see the bubbles, which mean that
It's
it's
fine. Ooh,
yeah.
You smell it?
Wait, no, it's popping. It's gonna pop. If you have to keep the pot steady, miss. You see pot shake up on stove. Alright, let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3.
2, pop.
I can't believe celeb lights away. This.
No, wait, guys. Like the kernel looks distorted, which means it has changed shape due to heat activity.
Alright, Miss Mente.
If Shanice would just hold the apparatus
Hi.
at the correct angle for the heat to disseminate into the kernel, it would have been popped. But that is what you get when
The
Team
hot
Shan
plates.
holds the
Oh my God, it's happening.
I don't know why she bring Wugga down there, so guys. She did up the
Where's the
something.
camera?
Yeah. Stop move now. Can you talk do? We have patience.
This will take long though.
Nice. I'm making a song.
Alright, go
She
on.
leave it, guys. It's done right now. Everybody knows that once you open the microwave door, I
It
can
can't
hear
close
going. Popcorn stop. Pop.
You can't close far?
No, them very sensitive. Them cornea.
Oh my God, no, this is taking too long.
I'm glad say you hold it.
No, you ain't tell no. Come on, man, hurt me.
Alright.
Oh no, next thing don't pop out what you said. No matter.
Girl, it's a way for me to hold it.
Yeah, you're alright.
You're too shaky. Wonder if you know that. TikTok, don't let us down. Pop, 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 pop. Let
Oh
me,
my
you know, when you
God.
want to pee and you make the pee sound, let's make the pop sound. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Well, the popcorn pop. Shanice is holding the popcorn to pop. We are trying.
Oh my God.
We're gonna hear all day. Wow. How much minutes we gone? 3 minutes with this? 4.
No, shut it.
Make
Hold
it
it, let me
contest
see if it- No, you can't do it. But just feel like it's a good pop if me give you.
Shanice, you know, say if you.
Alright, shut it. Hold this.
If me go, me go do it over because from your touch the apparatus spoil.
Hold this. Well done.
Let us go. Close your eyes, guys, and just visualize the popcorn popping.
This is brainwash. Pop, 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 pop.
So first, the butter has to dissolve. That's the first step of the process. Once the butter dissolves, the temperature will rise to the desirable temperature required for popping to take place. Because me and Uni know say, I don't everybody a pop. Some a pop, some not pop.
Oh gosh.
Let us begin the popping process, guys. I would really like this to pop in my hands, not Shanice's hands.
I know.
What is that?
That was less than a minute.
Oh my God, team shot! More pop up the girl.
Oh, one drop out. Not them all drop out, not pop out.
Yes, you say I want you one pop?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you, say where you at? Guys,
But I want to eat it.
turn them on.
She nasty. I want to see a flat iron near you.
It's kind of like Brazilian.
And we don't need shade in this one. What we're doing?
Lava
Lava lamp. So we're going to make the lava lamp. We're going to use this as our container. We need vinegar, oil.
When I say we are going to make lava lamp,
I am going to.
we are going to.
Alright, so Shelly, pour the vinegar in here. I'll pour the oil in here.
This is enough, ma'am.
Yes.
Blow.
Mix it, mix it. Good job.
Your chair come. Guys, you have to ensure this is mixed thoroughly. I know you want to pour it.
Of course.
I would never.
So we're going to now pour this in. See what happens.
Inside the container.
Shut up! Why everything? So the baking soda will make it pop up. Go back for it.
This is what I have to leave with, guys.
Come. So we're going to put a little baking soda inside and see what happens. Alright, this needs to work. Let's see. I'm nervous.
No, miss, you have mixed with the color.
Yes!
This is what you call crazy mad scientist. Can you guys see?
Look at that. Look at that beauty.
Is it?
What are those things coming up though?
It's releasing gas. You realize what you're causing here?
Boy.
You can.
What do you think will happen? Should put more in here. What is going to No! What is going to happen though?
Is this a lava lamp or a volcano? Only one way to.
No! This girl, watch it.
Guys, only one way to find out. Go on.
This is
So you stop it, miss, or you turn it off.
Well,
Sade.
leave it. Are we still long it to go for now? Like we can leave it till the end and then we go back to it and see if it's still doing all this thing.
If it's there.
What do you mean if it's there?
Why not all over the place?
Oh.
Alright guys, it's been denatured.
I am done.
So you gonna drink this? Like how we eat the popcorn?
This actually worked. So when you're bored at home and want to do fun stuff, you can try this.
Or you want to give a friend a present? You just bottle this very nicely and it's
cover
a nice
it up and
lava lamp.
get
Tell
a way
them
to
lamps
put
are
their
love,
name in it
essentially.
or something like that. It's cute.
Move the, mix it in the vinegar and the baking soda. Stir.
You know, scientist up there, you know. Watch
Are
it
you ready?
now.
This way you call scientist gone rogue.
That is so pretty. Oh my god. That is so beautiful.
Yes, guys. So what you have inside there is lava, and it's actually a lamp. You turn off the lights, and it glows. All right. Can we move on?
I want to turn off the lights.
JPS, turn off the lights.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I'm gonna try discredit me, but it's all good.
Video.
Hack number 6. This is the moment, guys. I think I need to move the vase.
You
I
need
need
to
to move
move.
it.
You need to move too.
And the table, guys. It's gonna get physical up in here.
I guess see if this really works. Self-defense class.
Let's push the table and see. Okay, guys. What's about to take place? You can actually use this. This is a life hack. Duct tape. I am going to duct tape.
Self-defense class. Will this actually work though?
This is the moment I've been waiting for. Like I've been just sitting and waiting for this.
3 times.
Can you put down your hand? You've been arrested. You have the right to remain silent. This is when policemen don't have the
This feel like
answer.
it's going to hurt.
Remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Let me make sure I do it
In
right.
the court
guys.
of law.
In the court of law. You've been found guilty.
Well, there's what?
Alright.
Shade, if you do it like that, it's not going to.
Is this intentional, guys?
She is.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.